Have you ever felt that you can better connect with people if you attentively listen to them? In my corporate career and now as an entrepreneur, I strongly believe that if you listen attentively to people, you can create a lasting impression and have a better connect with individuals. Hi everyone, I'm Kajal Mullapudi, founder of LatentKrafts and a personal excellence coach. And today I'd like to share with you 4 tried and tested tips how you can be a great listener. Let's explore these tips together. Maintain eye contact. This must have happened to most of you. Imagine you're talking to your friend about something and your friend's entire attention is on her cell phone. All she's doing is continuously fidgeting with her mobile. When you point this out to her, she looks at you and she says, "Of course I'm listening to you." And then what does she do again? Again she starts fidgeting with her cell phone. Pause for a minute and ask yourself, how does this make me feel? What do you think was missing over here? Remember, when you maintain good eye contact with people, it shows them that you're interested and that you're also connected with them. Ask open-ended questions. Ask people questions where they can share a lot of information with you. For example, let's say you're in office. Instead of asking your peer, "Was your day good?" why don't you try asking your peer, "How was your day today? What were some of the interesting things that you did today?" When you do this, your peer will automatically start opening up, sharing a lot more information, and this would establish a better rapport between both of you. That is the power of open-ended questions. Show interest. Imagine your friend has just gone to Goa for a holiday. When he returns from his holiday and he starts telling you his trip, or he starts giving you details about his trip, you can immediately show interest by repeating some of the key words that he's used. For example, "It seems like Goa was a lot of fun. It seems like paragliding was so exciting. I'm definitely going to go to Goa soon." Showing interest can be done by repeating keywords, by making notes, by asking a lot of questions, and also with a lot of energy. Remember, when you go ahead and you show interest, it automatically makes the other person start opening up and it shows them that you're keen on listening to what they have to say. If you've agreed with my points so far, subscribe to our channel. Don't interrupt. When I was young, my grandmother often told me it's rude to interrupt people. Sometimes we feel that we should give individuals our solutions, or we should give them unsolicited advice. But remember, people do not like advice unless they've asked you for it. If you genuinely want to contribute to a conversation, or you feel you want to add your inputs to it, please take the other person's permission before you go ahead and do that. These 4 tried and tested tips can help you become a great listener. Go ahead and practice these tips. Do them on a consistent basis to start seeing the change in yourself. And remember, the better you become as a listener, the more of a lasting impression you'll be able to create on other people. That was the video, guys. If you liked the video, smash the like button below. Do leave your thoughts on this video in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates from LatentKrafts. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye.